Exercise 7.1, question number 2. In this question, we have to find out a number that must be multiplied by the given number 392 to make it a perfect cube. Simply, it is clear that 392 is not a perfect cube. First of all, we have to find the prime factors of 392. We continuously divide the number by prime numbers. We have 2 into 2 into 2, 7 into 7. There are 3 times 2 and 2 times 7. So it is clear that the prime factors 2 occur in cubes. That means they occur in a set of cubes. But 7 does not. So we multiply the number 392 by 7, because by multiplying by 7 we have 3 sevens. So 392 multiplied by 7 is equal to 2744, 2744. Now let us check whether it is a perfect cube or not. When we find out the prime factors of 2744, since we have multiplied a 7, so the factors will be 3 times 2 and 3 times 7. So all the factors occur in cubes. So taking the cube of the factors, we have 2 into 7, that means 14. 14 is the cube root of 2744. Now question number 3. In this question we have to find out a number by which we divide the given number 53,240 so as to make it a perfect cube. Like the previous solution, again we find out the prime factors of the number. So we have divided the number by 2, 11 and 5. In the prime factors, there are 3 times 2, 3 times 11 and only 1 time 5. To make the number a perfect cube, we have to just remove the factor 5. To remove factor 5, we have to divide the number by 5. That means 53,240 must be divided by 5. By dividing, we have 10,648. Now we check in this case. When we find out the prime factors of 10,648, the factors will be the same as the previous one, but leaving 5 because we have divided the number by 5. So we have the only factors 2 and 11, which are in cubes. So the cube root of 10,648 will be equal to 2 into 11, that is 22. So the answer for this question is 5. The required number by which we have to divide the given number is 5. Now exercise 7.2. In question 1, we have to just find out the cube root of the given numbers. To find the cube root of any number, we have to just prime factorize the number. After prime factorization, we convert the factors into cubes. That means all the factors that occur in a set of 3 multiples in this case, the factors are 3 times 2, 3 times 3 and 3 times 7. 2, 3 and 7 all occur in cubes. So our cube root will be 2 into 3 into 7, that is 42.